Designers have it a little tougher than most when it comes to websites because your site isn't just a digital business card, right? It's your portfolio, your reputation, and your first impression all rolled into one. If your website looks outdated, loads slowly, or makes it hard for clients to contact you, it's going to cost you inquiries, projects, and real money. A solid site should show off your best work, make it easy to understand what you do, and give potential clients a simple way to reach out or book a call. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which website builder is the best fit for designers, so you're not guessing or wasting time trying every platform under the sun. Now stick with me here, because if you don't, you might end up building a site that quietly pushes your dream clients away instead of pulling them in. All right, but first, a website for designers has to do more than just exist, right? It needs to be visually sharp, easy to navigate, and built around showcasing your work in a way that actually converts visitors into paying clients. Now, you're not running a generic local restaurant or a basic service business here. You're selling creativity, style, and your eye for detail. That means the wrong website builder can box you into boring templates, chunky layouts, and slow performance that makes your work look worse than it really is. When someone lands on your site, they should instantly feel the, okay, this person gets it type of vibe. If they don't, they'll click away and find another designer who does. Now, before we move forward here, I have to say, so if you're like me and you don't have time to research, dozens of website builders out there, and you just want the best option for roughly 99% of designers, go ahead and click this link right up here to try it for free with the absolute best pricing offer that I could find if you decide to upgrade in the future. Now, no pressure to click that link now, of course, but it is there throughout the video if you need it. So let's go ahead and start with the platform that, in my opinion, checks the most boxes for designers overall. So if you're a designer who wants a site that really looks custom without needing to touch a line of code, Wix is going to feel like home. It's really best for designers who want a lot of creative control, tons of layout options, and a visual editor where you can literally drag and drop elements exactly where you want them. Designers like Wix because it lets you build something that actually looks on brand instead of forcing you into a rigid cookie cutter layout that every other business uses. You can quickly spin up portfolio galleries, case study pages, or even client inquiry forms that look clean and professional. Now, for designers specifically, one of the biggest strengths of Wix is the template variety and flexibility. You'll find templates made for photographers, web designers, graphic designers, branding studios, and more, and you can customize them really heavily so your site doesn't look like anyone else's. You can showcase your work in full screen galleries, grid layouts, or even interactive sections, which is huge when you need your projects to really speak for themselves. On top of that, you can add things like blogs, booking forms, or even digital product pages if you sell templates or design resources. Now, the main limitation is that if you go wild with design and features, your site can get a little bit heavy and may require some cleanup to keep it running fast. Now, pricing-wise, Wix is pretty reasonable for what you get. You can start with a free plan to test things out, but for a professional designer site with your own domain and no Wix ads, you're typically looking at a monthly plan in the low to mid range, depending on what features you actually need. Now, again, if you want to check out Wix for yourself by creating a completely free account, you can click right up here to sign up and learn more about how they can help you. And if you're wondering, whether there's ever a situation where another platform might actually beat Wix for designers, that's exactly what we're going to talk through here next. Squarespace is really best for designers who love minimal, polished, and modern layouts and don't want to spend a ton of time tweaking every single detail. If you're the kind of designer who prefers a clean aesthetic, big images, and typography that just looks good right out of the box, Squarespace is a strong option. Designers like it because almost every template feels ready for a portfolio right away. You just plug in your work, adjust the colors and fonts, and you're off to the races. Now, for designers, Squarespace shines with its built-in portfolio and gallery options. You can create project pages with large visuals, smooth scrolling, and simple navigation that feels very high-end. It's also great if you want to add a blog, sell design services or digital products, or even run a simple online store for things like mockups, presets, or templates. The interface is straightforward, which is nice if you don't want to wrestle with too many design choices. That all said, Squarespace usually isn't as flexible as Wix. So if you want, pixel perfect control, like moving elements freely, stacking things in unconventional ways, or just building something that's very unique, Wix tends to be better in most cases. Squarespace does keep things a bit more locked in, which is good for speed and consistency, but not always ideal if you're trying to push boundaries with your layout. Pricing is generally in the mid-range, similar to other premium builders out there like Wix, with different tiers based on features like e-commerce and marketing tools. But if you want to check out Squarespace for yourself, there is a link for them in the description below, which will lead you to a special limited time offer that they're running right now for new customers. But if you're the type of designer who also cares a lot about performance, budget, and hosting flexibility, there's another option here worth looking at. Hostinger is best for designers who want more control under the hood and are okay being a little bit more hands-on to save money and gain flexibility. It's really a great fit if you're comfortable with the idea of real web hosting, maybe using something like WordPress or your own website builder, and you like having room to grow your site over time. Now, designers like Hostinger because it lets them build more advanced or custom experiences without paying the higher monthly subscription fees that some of the builders charge. Now, for designers specifically, Hostinger's strengths are speed, affordability, and scalability. You can host a WordPress portfolio with custom themes, plugins, and advanced functionality, which is great if you want something that's tailored to your niche, like interactive case studies, client dashboards, or multilingual sites. Now, they have their own website builder built in, which is beginner friendly, but the real power is pairing their hosting with a strong theme or page builder to create something that looks pro and loads quickly. Now, the limitation is that Hostinger usually requires a bit more setup and tech comfort than a drag and drop builder like Wix or Squarespace. If you hate, dealing with settings, domains, or plugins, it might feel like a lot of extra work. That said, pricing is where Hostinger really stands out. So you can often get hosting for the cost of a couple cups of coffee per month, especially with promos, which is appealing if you're just starting out or running multiple sites for different design brands or client projects. Now, if Hostinger sounds like it might be the best fit for you, we'll go ahead and check out the link in the description below as well, which will entitle you to a special deal that they're running right now for new customers. But if you're still not sure, which platform is right, the real key here is knowing exactly what to look for in a website builder as a designer. And that's what we're gonna go ahead and dig into here next. All right, so when you're choosing a website builder as a designer, there are a few non-negotiables that you should always pay attention to. So first, you need strong portfolio and gallery features. So your work is the star of the show. So the builder should let you display projects in different layouts, add captions or case study style descriptions, and keep everything looking sharp on both desktop and mobile. Second, look for design flexibility without chaos. So you want enough control to match your brand, colors, fonts, spacing, and layout without needing to code everything from scratch. If you constantly feel, trapped by the template, that builder probably isn't ideal for a creative business. Third, pay attention to performance and mobile optimization. So a beautiful portfolio doesn't matter if it loads slowly or breaks on a phone, because a lot of potential clients will actually check you out on mobile first. Fourth, make sure it's easy to manage content. So as a designer, you'll want to update your projects, add new work, or tweak copy fairly often. If every update feels like a nightmare, you're not going to keep things fresh, and an outdated portfolio can actually hurt you. Fifth, check for built-in marketing tools, right? So things like email capture, contact forms, SEO settings, and maybe even blogging. These help you get discovered and turn visitors into leads. And finally, consider pricing and scalability. So you don't want to be locked into a platform that's cheap now, but gets expensive or limiting when your business grows. So think about where you want your design business to be in a year or two from now. But truthfully, at the end of the day, Wix does come out as the best overall option for most designers because it balances creative freedom, ease of use, and professional features without requiring you to be super technical. If you're struggling with, an outdated portfolio, a clunky site, or no website at all, Wix gives you a way to quickly build something that actually reflects your style and helps you attract better clients. And if you're ready to stop, overthinking it and just get your work online in a way that you're proud of, again, you can click right up here to create a completely free account and start building today. Now, if you have any questions for me, or you're a little bit confused about something, no problem at all. I understand. Go ahead and drop me a comment below, and I will do my absolute best to personally respond to you as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.